everyone. Long time no see. This is like my first day off since I started driving around 2 weeks ago. And there was like so many things I needed to get done while I was home. Um, so I wanted to do a video really bad, but I'm like so tired still. I'm not feeling great. I've been to the emergency room twice already. I was there last night. So I just did something pretty simple. I just put on some foundation, um, just some foundation and powder. I barely put any blush. I used the rest of the glitter hair mascara just on the white. Next week I'm gonna probably trim my hair and dye it again. Try L'Oreal's Rose Gold. I have been wanting to try this for a long time. So I figured this is the time. I use NYX's gold and rose glitter and I mix them. And I put it over Milani's I don't even know, fling. Um so I just wanted to try it out. I saw it on Facebook like over a year ago. It doesn't look as nice as it did on the girl who did it, but I just wanted to play around and try it out. And then I just took some of the I had a little tiny bit left of the NYX gel. I just put it in the Wet n Wild's gel, and then because these old NYX jars are awful, it spilled as soon as you open it. A ton spills out, and so I just put it on my eyes just to give me a little something something. So I got the glitter hair mascara. It shows more on the white than anywhere else, but I put it like down. But anyway, that I just wanted to do something quick and simple and play around with the lips. So yeah, trying to create my own rose gold because I did not like the Black Radiance one. So yeah, I guess very quickly, let me start out with, and I did not find that there's another one. It's one of those silicone ones. I meant to go yesterday and I forgot to pass by. These are at HEB, and I didn't see the silicone one at my HEB, so I was going to pass by the other HEB, and I totally forgot. I took a different route home from my kid's doctor's, and I forgot to check that HEB out. So there's a silicone one too, and I'm guessing this is for spring because that's a rabbit and that's carrots. So these are the new Wet n Wild facial sponges. I don't know if they're limited edition. I don't know if it's just for spring. I don't know if it's the 2019 core collection. But also I had heard that Walmart put out all of their gift sets, and I wanted to see what Mark Wins put out. And so they had the color workshop. I grabbed these because these are just like the ones from, Beauty Benefits. So I grabbed these. So this is the Smoky, and it's $4.88, and it comes with two trio shadows, a blush and a highlighter, a lipstick, a mascara, and a little sponge applicator. And so that one's the Smoky. This one is the Natural. The Natural, it says it's a bronzer, but it comes with a blush, a bronzer, two trio shadows, a lipstick, a mascara, and a sponge tip applicator. And then the third set that they had was the Sparkle collection. So you have two trio shadows. They're glittery or metallic-y with a highlighter, a blush, a lipstick, mascara, and a sponge tip applicator. So I had to get that. And that's really all I liked from the Walmart collection this year. And then NYX put out all of their holiday stuff. I haven't gotten the lip vault yet. The lip vault this year is smaller. It's only $10 cheaper. But it's not just the soft matte. It's got soft matte lingerie. lip colors and the lip suede. So they've got, I think, 36, but a mixture of them with matching, small little matching lip liners. So I'm waiting for a sale. Hopefully it doesn't sell out. So yeah, and they did this little carousel for the soft matte metallics. And it was only 25 and it was 20% off at Ulta, so I got that. And I haven't even opened it or swatched it or nothing because I'm still not I could be feeling great one day and then like pure crap the next day. I'll be in, I'll be fine, and then all of a sudden I'll have a lot of pain. Well, anyway, so that's that's the new stuff that's out so far that I've gotten from the holidays. I did get the brush set because it was half price, plus I had my daughter's discount, so I did get the brush set. But I didn't bother to get the highlighter because they put all those highlighters on the website. So I'm like, I really don't want a 4-piece highlighter with colors I already had just to get one color. And I figured the new highlighters that they put out was, probably similar, if not the same exact color they put in those 3 different sets. Two different sets, because I think the one from Glam Raider, which I found is in Australia, that has like a new pinkish peachy one. So that's what I got. I said, well, they have that pinky peach color, they have a bronzy color, and just to be consistent with getting everything from the collection, I got those. And to compare I'm So Lit to the Moon Dust, which in some lights it looks different and in other lights it looks exactly the same. But I figured I'm not going to bother getting any of those other highlighter sets because I bought that collection.